Hello everyone, welcome back. Learn with Abdullah and blog. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I'm Abdullah, founder of Bright Horizon Academy. Today we are going to make a video about how to improve your lexical resource and how to improve your vocabulary. Today we will learn how to improve our vocabularies, and it's our consecutively we are going to make a different type of advanced vocabulary videos for your improving your lexical resource. So first today's video we are gonna learn 10 advanced vocabularies with Bengali meanings. So let's start. So first one is wrangle. Do you know the wrangle means? What is the meaning of the wrangle? Yeah, I know. Most of the people, you don't know that what is the meaning of the wrangle. Wrangle means is a jogda bibat, like fight, or wrangle means is a hassle. The spelling is wrangle, W-R-A-N-G-L-E. It's a silent word. Second number is wrench. It's starting by using W later, like wrench, W-R-E-N-C-H, wrench. Wrench means মচকানো, কোনো জিনিস মচকে যাওয়া, কোনো জিনিস মচকে যাওয়ার নামই হচ্ছে wrench. Okay, and second is the wrenched. Before I uttered the wrench, and third number is wrenched. Last word is the D, W-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. Again I'm uttering W-R-E-T-C-H-E-D, wretched. That means hotobagyo as a synonym of the unlucky. He is a wretched person. He is a wretched person. He is an unlucky person. She is a wretched girl. She is an unlucky girl. So number 4, knuckle, K-N-U-C-L-E, knuckle. The pronunciation will be knuckle, but writing will be K-N-U. The word will be started by K. Anguli or this one is called the knuckle. যে দুই এই যে দেখেন হাড্ডির মধ্যখানে যে খালি জায়গাটা সেটাকে বলা হয় নাকাল. And number 5th, knot. And do you know the knot? That means not means na, no. Not means not na. N-O-T not means na, and K-N-O-T not means git. Similar of the knuckle. The word is similar of the knuckle. The synonym of the knuckle means knot. Okay. Number 6th, we are gonna learn the betel. What is the betel? Betel. B-E-E-T-L-A, betel. What do you mean by this word betel? Betel means guborer puka, something, one kind of insects which is live under the betel. Or 7 number, where is the word? 7th number word is with pneumonia. Am I right? No, it's not pneumonia, it's a pneumonia. The word pronounced, we usually pronounce it pneumonia, but whenever you write it P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A, pneumonia. Pneumonia means fushfush pradaho. And number 8, crescent, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent. Crescent means ordo chandrakar. Ordo chandrakar, that means it's gonna be a larger. It's gonna be a larger. Something is half. It's half done something, but it will enlarge within few days or few months. It's called the crescent. The moon looks like crescent. That means চারটি দেখতে অর্ধ চন্দ্রকার. That means চন্দ্রটি এখনো কি হয় নাই. The moonlight যেটিকে বলা হয়, moonlight হচ্ছে চন্দ্রটি যখন কি হয়ে যায় একদম তার 15 দিনে চলে যায় তখন সেটি হয় moonlight, আর যখন সেটি অর্ধেকে থাকে তখন এটি crescent থাকে. এরপর দেখেন adoration. 9, adoration. Adoration means worship. Do you know the worship? Worship means aradhana, upasana kora, and synonym is the adoration. We must adoration to our Lord. We must do adoration to our lords, and we must worship to our lords, our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And last one is absence. Absence means A-B-S-C-E-N-C-E. Absence means অনুপস্থিত. So for time being, today's I'm going to end the class, and if you do like my class and if you do my channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and share towards your friend, and hope every day I will upload and I will make different sort of videos, learning videos for you guys. So don't miss, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.